श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। नरसिंहोऽखिलाज्ञानमतध्वान्तदिवाकरः जयत्यमितसज्ञानसुखशक्तिपयोनिधिः अभ्रमं भङ्गरहितम् अजडं विमलं सदा आनन्दतीर्थमतुलं भजे तापत्रयापहम्। तपस्वाध्यायशुश्रूषा कृष्णपूजारतं मुनिं विश्वेशमिष्टदं वन्दे परिव्राट्चक्रवर्तिनम्। विश्वेशवाणी and Purna Prajna Vidyapitha are two platforms which organize lectures on Indian philosophy in its various aspects with some special emphasis on Madhvacharya's interpretation and contribution to Indian philosophy and to the study of Mahabharata and Puranas. Under this program, the organizers of the two platforms, with the instructions from Sri Vishwaprasanna Tirtha Swamiji, the Kulapati of Purna Prajna Vidyapitha, to arrange 4 brief talks on Upanishads. And the organizers have asked me to give 4 brief talks on Upanishads. Each talk is of the duration of 10 minutes. Now, I shall try to give the first talk of 10 minutes duration on the Upanishads. We see in the Brihadaranyaka Upanishad a dialogue between the sage Yajnavalkya and his wife Maitreyi. Yajnavalkya had 2 wives, and at some point of his life, he decided to enter the 4th ashrama, that is the ashrama of sannyasa. He decided to become a monk, renouncing all the worldly interests. Before doing so, he told his 2 wives that he would apportion his all earnings between them. And Maitreyi, one of the 2 wives, asked her husband as to would all this earthly asset take her to the state of immortality. She asked, Kimaham tena amritasyam? That was Maitreyi's question. Kimaham tena amritasyam? Would I be immortal with all this earthly property? Yajnavalkya replied negatively. He said, Amritatvasya na asha asti vittena. There is no hope of immortality with earthly properties. On hearing this reply, Maitreyi requested Yajnavalkya to give her that which would take her to the state of immortality. Yajnavalkya answered, Atma Vare Drashtavyaha. The meaning of this answer is, if one aspires to reach a state of immortality, that one should endeavor to understand and ultimately to realize the creator of this universe. In the language of Yajnavalkya, Atma is the Lord of this universe. In our Upanishadic language, Atma means Swami. Therefore, Atma Vare Drashtavyaha means the Lord of this universe, who controls us in all our activities and who is our master in all our activities, is Atma. The language of Yajnavalkya has this meaning. The word Atma has other meanings in other places, but here in Yajnavalkya's language, here Atma means the Lord, the master, who controls all our activities. And reply of Yajnavalkya was, one should be able to fully understand the master of this universe, our own Lord, in all dimensions. And this understanding alone elevates one to a state of immortality. There is no other means. Yajnavalkya said. Here comes an interesting question. Why did Maitreyi aspire for immortality? Immortality means conquering death. Why Maitreyi had great interest in conquering death? Brihadaranyaka Upanishad has answer to this question. The answer is, Asato ma sadgamaya, Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, Mrityorma amritam gamaya. These are three short sayings we find in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. But in another context, if we are interested in finding an answer to our own question as to how Maitreyi aspired to conquer death, we have an answer in these three short sayings. This talk is limited to only 10 minutes, and we are nearing the end of 10th minute, and therefore I shall take this question to my second talk. I express my gratitude to the two platforms I said before, and to Shri Vishwaprasanna Tirtha Swamiji, the Kulapati of Purna Prajna Peetha, to having given me this opportunity to give a brief talk on some aspect of Upanishads.